do a quick review on family wellness cough drops. A couple weeks ago, everybody here was fighting with colds, and we went through a lot of this. We went through probably about half the bag. That's pretty good. We didn't give it to the kids. We gave it to the roommate's teenage daughter. She's old enough to take it. It's a pretty good product. Got the cherry flavor here. And you get 80 drops in the bag. Like I said, we probably went through at least half of it. Everybody, with all of us fighting with the colds. Hang on a second, I'll get one out. It's small, you can drop a bunch of them in your pocket, purse. Baby girl, get out of it. You know better. Family wellness, mental cough suppressant, or anesthetic. Like I said, and good for sore throat. Sore throats and coughing. You can get it at Family Dollars where I got this. It's a good product. Family Wellness cough drops. We got cherry flavor here.